Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today, yes today, we are playing this game again with the barrel and blade subscription box. Are we actually going to get a barrel and blade? Nobody knows. But I will tell you one thing. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you can find out. Right now, I got all my channel members here watching me live. We're all placing bets on what's going to be in this box. Is it going to be a barrel and blade, a barrel or blade or barrel? Maybe it's nothing. This could be a box full of packing material for all we know. We're going to find out. Are you guys ready to do it? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. Even though it doesn't do absolutely nothing. It makes me feel better. Are you guys ready? Place your bets, yo. Let's see if this is going to be a disaster or not. Let's do it. All right, so we are back with barrel and blade. Like I said in the intro, it's a little game we like to play called barrel or blade, or maybe nothing. I don't know. Okay, look, pretty much my channel members that are watching me do this live, they are pretty much, we're split. Okay, we're split on this box. Most people think we're going to get a blade and no barrel. And I'm in the camp that we're going to get something for the barrel and blade. I'm optimistic because this is a 12 by 9 by 9 box. And it's got a little, not heavy, but it's about a pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds, maybe. Fingers crossed, man. Come on. I got faith that this is where barrel and blade is going to turn it. Dude, we're making a turnaround. Okay? I'm being optimistic here. Shame. Shame. Some of y'all went and already looked at other people's videos. That's how you knew what was in this box. Y'all a bunch of dirty fibbers. Man, these channel members, man, they trying to bamboozle me. Oh man, this is not looking good, cuz this is not look. Dude, I'm gonna tell you something. Barrel and blade might be on the outs. I'm just telling you. There may come a time when you don't see barrel and blade on my channel no more, man. I'm just telling you. Bro, I'm just telling you, man. Oh, man. See, and y'all said, see, man, these people, man, you channel members are dirty. Y'all dirty. All right. So, the first thing is from Climate, which at the end of the day, look, at the end of the day, Climate's a really good brand. I've got a lot of stuff from Climate. I've got their sleep systems. I've got their, I got their mummy, their mummy, yeah, that. But this is their Versa blanket, and to be honest with you, I think I have one of these blankets. I think from Climate. I'm not sure though. But anyway, it's packable, multi-use blanket for any whatever. It is 80 by 58. It only weighs 1.3 pounds. So this was pretty much the bulk load of the weight in the box. It's a 20D polyester, and it does have some synthetic insulation filler. Does it give me a rating? It shouldn't, because technically it's just a blanket. It's not like a sleep system. It's got corner straps. Oh, it's got hand pockets too. And foot box. So wait a minute. You can appropriate this for a sleep system because it has hand pockets and a foot box. Stores easily in creating a perfect travel pillow. Okay. And it's got the Climalite. Boy, if there was ever something that sounded like some flim flam, that's it. Okay, so anyway, at the end of the day, Climate makes really good stuff. I have a lot of their stuff. Absolutely love it. So this is not something that I'm going to be mad about. I'm not going to be mad about it. What the hell does a blanket got to do with barrel and blade? Okay, we got another thing from Climate. We got the extra large pillow. It's a large camping pillow with soft touch fabric. I'm not going to be mad. Because, you know, like I said, Climate's good stuff. And I don't have this particular pillow. So, yeah, and you can see it packs down really small. Does it tell me how big it is? Yes, it's 17 by 12 when you inflate it. And it only weighs 3.2 ounces. So there you go. And it does have a little bag. Okay, not bad. So we got a Climate pillow. Awesome. Awesome. What does it have to do with barrel and blade? The blanket is barrel shaped. We're going down in flames, y'all. This is not... Okay. We got Kershaw, so we got a blade. And it looks like we got a big water bag. This is a Puri Bag Pro. And it does have the little, you know, the little micro filter here. And it does give you the tube, all the tubing, the bag, the filter, and it does give you an injector, which is interesting. Okay. What does it have to do with a barrel or blade? Seriously. Seriously. Why do I keep subscribing to this box? Why? This is ridiculous. It's a water bag with like a life straw thing that you hook to it. Then you feed water through it. Goes into bag. Alright, so we got a knife. It's a shuffle from Kershaw. Alright. Alright, so it's a little green. A little alien green action. And it does got a little bottle popper on it. Hey, 556, it's got a bottle popper. Is it tactical? There you go, you got a little bottle popper right there. Alright, so we do got some thumb studs. Is the pivot going to be super tight? Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. That pivot. Man, the dude that put this together in China, he was having a bad day. He was taking out his aggression on that pivot screw. Okay, so it's just a little small, you know, I would say this is like a, you know, this is definitely an EDC type knife. We got two thumb studs. The clip is ambi. You can flip it around to the other side. We do have finger grooves and a very high choil there. Oh, bro. I got small hands, and I can barely get it in there. Giggity, giggity. That's what she said. You guys that got them big, meaty, you know, grizzly bear, you know, paws, y'all gonna have problems. Y'all gonna have problems, because this is gonna be a 3-finger knife for y'all, for real. Perverts. Okay, so we do got a stonewash kind of, you know, darker color blade. Does got a, we got a grind here, then we got a little grindage going on top of the spine. That kind of takes some of the meat off of it, which is fun. We do have a pretty decent, we got a pretty decent tip there. And do have a lashing on the end. Scale's got the Kershaw, you know, K etched into it. It's not super grippy, but it's not enough to annoy the crap out of you. You got a shallow clip. You know, got a liner lock. Just a small little knife. You know, I don't know what else to say. We don't have any information on the knife other than I can tell you that it's that 8700 LIM BW. Okay, so there you go. And as per usual, you know, Barrel and Blade, they don't give us the cards. So I can't tell you anything about the box. Blade. The China man was relaxing in his barrel and blade blanket when he put it together. I didn't say that. They said it. At least there was a bottle opener. Okay, guys, look, I don't know what to tell you anymore about Barrel and Blade. I think it's a service that's going downhill, and I think it's circling like the toilet has been flushed, and it's circling, waiting to go whoop, to go down the drain. I do like getting this stuff. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, getting this and this is a win, right? It's a win. But not in a subscription service called Barrel and Blade. Right? This is not bad. You guys can agree. This is not bad. But if you subscribe to a box called Barrel and Blade, I promise you, this is not what you're expecting to get. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? If you subscribe to a service called Barrel and Blade, is this what you expect to get? Are you serious? I can't do it no more, man. Hey, give me a thumbs up on the video. Hit the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think. You know, if you know, not for nothing, but Barrel and Blade at least gives me some entertainment, because we sit here, my channel members sit here, and we get to make jokes about how bad we're going to get screwed when I open this box. And you know what they tell me? They're going to tell me, hey, better you than me. I do it so you don't have to, I guess. Story of my life. All right. Hey, I appreciate all y'all for hanging out with me. Like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And hey, check out the channel memberships. It's not required. But, you know, if you rock with me and you're feeling a little gracious and you want to help support this crap show that I do over here, I'd really greatly appreciate it. I appreciate everybody watching the videos, subscribing to the channel, becoming a channel member. I appreciate everything. Don't ever think that I don't. And as per usual, if you feeling like something in your life is missing, it's the Lord. Just pray with an open heart and an honest heart. Let the Lord into your life. It'll change your life. It'll transform you, the way you think, the way you approach things, everything. It'll improve. And with that, I'm out of here. I'll see all you guys in the next one. Y'all be cool. Peace. Boop, boop. Well, I mean, I don't understand. Am I just a glutton for punishment? Hey, a long time ago, Barrel and Blade was good. Like, if you go back in my channel, if you're still here, if you go back in my channel and just type in the little magnifier glass, or the little search thing, type in Barrel and Blade, and go back, right, to a lot of the old Barrel and Blade videos and watch them. They ain't bad. They ain't bad. Some of them are good. Some of them boxes are really good. But God dog, son. It's like Looney Tunes, man. You know, Wile E. Coyote and the Roadrunner. Off the cliff. Woo! Just off the cliff. I don't get it. I don't know. All right.